Ready? Fade up channel 2.
Inflation rate last August
Fade up
6th,
channel 5.
1% being the highest.
Kill channel 2.
Some of the top contributors to inflation include increased prices
Segue channel 1 and 2.
vegetables, meat, electricity, gas, and tobacco, among others.
And then
Inflation rate, lower
Segue channel 1 and 5.
or rampant. People are unable to buy the same quantity of prices.
Kill channel 2. Fade up channel 5.
This is the bird's eye view. Switzerland Bank report.
Segue channel 1 and 2.
Inflation rate in the Philippines reaches the highest peak in 9 years.
Kill
Switzerland Bank
channel
report.
5.
Inflation
Segue
rate
channel
last
1,
August
sorry.
peaked at
Segue
6.4%,
channel 5 and 2.
being the highest over 9 years. Some of the top contributors to inflation
Very
include
good.
the increase of prices in
Segue
rice,
channel 2 and 5.
vegetables, meat, electricity, gas, and tobacco, among others. As inflation rises, lowering of the peso value to dollar are rampant, and people are unable
Segue
to buy
channel 1 and
the
2.
quantity of products and avail services for the same amount of price. This is the bird's eye
Key off
view.
channel 2.
Switzerland Bank reporting.
Segue channel 1 and 2. Then fade up channel
Inflation
5.
rate in the Philippines reaches the highest peak in 9 years. Switzerland Bank
Kill channel 2.
Inflation
Key
rate
on
last
channel 2.
August came at 6.4%,
Fade up channel 1.
being the highest over 9 years. Some top contributors
Kill channel 5.
include increased prices in rice,
Segue channel 1 and 2.
meat, electricity, gas, and tobacco, among others. As inflation
Segue channel 2 and 5.
lowering of peso value to dollar are rampant, and people are unable to buy
Very
the
good.
same quantity
Thank you.
of products.